welcome aboard Toronto Subway's one and only happy carriage. This is the Divine Happiness Joy carriage. We'd like to thank you all for being incredible human beings. Thank you for smiling. Thank you for making eye contact with one another. There is nothing you can't achieve if you put your mind to it.
Arriving at college.
This is the carriage of positivity. Remember, smiling and laughing is bad for the economy. The powers that be would like you to remain miserable. Can we please give the people boarding the carriage a massive round of applause to welcome them aboard? Okay, to all the new passengers, welcome aboard Toronto Subway's only happy, joyful carriage. All the other carriages are miserable, but this is the happy one. That round of applause was just a thank you for being individual human beings with all the secrets of the universe in your heart. There's nothing to fear, not even fear itself. So welcome aboard, have some fun, have a dance, listen to music, make eye contact, smile. It's all allowed on the happy carriage. There are no rules. Gentlemen in the green t-shirt, we strongly advise you not to read the free Metro newspaper. It is designed to fill your mind with propaganda, fear, lies, and other marketing devices meant to put you in a position of fear. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if any passengers want to board the happy carriage, let's welcome them aboard as the amazing human beings they are with a massive, in fact we have one passenger, here we go, just for him. Yes, sir, that round of applause was just for you.
The next station is Newark.
Welcome aboard the happy carriage. We thank you for smiling. We thank you for laughing. We thank you for making eye contact with me, because we're beginning to live in a world all over Europe, all over North America, where people are beginning to be scared of each other. They're beginning to be paranoid. We're all potential terrorists. We've all got swine flu. I have to give you some advice. Swine flu is not transmittable through eye contact. You can still smile at one another and get away with it. We used to be connected, interrelated brothers and sisters, children of the universe, but now some force is trying to turn us into flesh and blood consumers. You are not a flesh and blood consumer. You are incredible. You are powerful. To all the passengers leaving the happy carriage, thank you for putting up with a crazy man with a megaphone. We will give you a massive round of applause to thank you for being you. To all the new passengers, looks like we've got a whole bunch of new human beings aboard. That round of applause, all that clapping and joy was just a thank you for boarding the one and only happy train on the entire Toronto subway network. If you wish to remain miserable, you have a few seconds to exit the happy train, and you can try one of the other miserable carriages, where frowning and division and propaganda and advertising will rule your lives. But on this train, on this carriage, in fact, we've just had a casualty. That gentleman has exited the happy carriage, which is his right to do so.
He's going to stare at all the ads.
But for just for the next few minutes, all the rules of reality do not apply. We are on this train together. We are hurtling through the universe as one powerful force of joy, of forgiveness, of love, of infinite understanding. So welcome aboard the happy carriage. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to do a shamanic happiness ritual. Shake it, Mark. Hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. Joy, love, truth, happiness, 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 brotherhood, sisterhood, love, 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 love. Everything is truly okay. You are very powerful beings. You will live free. You will die free. You were born free. There is nothing that can ever tell you what to do, because you know you have all the source of the universe in your hearts. And yeah, you can tell I'm not a singer, but he is.
Are we going to clap for that?
Oh yes, just look at that sunshine. At Rosedale, we will give all the new passengers a round of applause if there are any. And thank the wonderful smiling lady for her smiles and her joy. She will have a very nice day today.
Yeah.
Okay, here's some passengers. Get ready? Yes, I'm afraid the new people, you have boarded the one and only Happy Train on all of the Toronto subway network. All that clapping was just for you to welcome you aboard. All the rules of life do not apply on this train. There is no need to fear terrorism. There is no need to fear each other. There is no need to worry about your jobs, the economy, international finance, or G20. All these things are illusions. The only thing which truly exists is your consciousness and the infinite love which the God or Goddess, whichever one you want to believe in, will give to you. You do not need to take any messages from the big corporations. You do not need to have a bank account or have a mortgage. Mortgages are wonderful tools. You buy one house, you pay for 3 over 25 years. Welcome to your new slavery. But you knew all this. This is a warning from the big corporations.
Summerhill Station.
Smiling and questioning reality is bad for the economy. Let the newspapers do it for you. Questioning your own life is dangerous. Do not rock the boat. Always do as you are told. This message is brought to you from the architect of the Matrix. Thank you for believing it was all real. We'd like to thank the Canadians for the last 100 years for believing in world wars, in the Cold War, in the economy, in international derivative trading, swine flu.
The next station is St. Clair. St. Clair Station.
That's not here about traffic.
Sorry guys, wrong meeting. If you wish to see this being done in other subways around the world, like London, Holland, New York, just type in The Love Police into YouTube or Google, and you can see other Happy Carriage episodes. But I'd just like to announce that the Canadian Toronto passengers are some of the happiest I've ever seen.
All right. We're happy.
Give yourselves a round of applause. So, ladies and gentlemen, in a world increasingly dominated by big corporations and advertising and messages in fashion magazines and on television, trying to convince us we are not skinny, we are not beautiful, we are not rich, remember, it's all an illusion designed to try and control you. No one can control you. You have a human spirit, you have a human soul, and that is indestructible. You will live forever. Okay, I believe we have one passenger boarding the Happy Carriage. Let's give them a round of applause. To the lady in the blue that just has boarded the Happy Carriage, you may be very confused. This is good. It shows you are thinking.
The next station is Davisville Station.
That clapping was just to welcome you and you alone aboard the Happy Carriage. Thank you very much. Thumbs up. You're absolutely right. You are an optimist and you have all the secrets of the universe in your